Alright, I just installed the new electric switch in the transfer case, so we're going to do a continuity test to make sure the switch is opening and closing when it's supposed to. Right now, we're in 2-wheel high. So what you should see is, right now since it's open, your 4-wheel drive light won't be on once you hook up the electrical side of it. So we're going to go to 4 high and it should close. 4 high, it's closed. So right now the light would be on if you had your electrical hooked up to it. Neutral, gonna go to 4 low, still closed. So every time you go through any part of any gear in the transfer case, it's gonna stay closed. Go back to neutral, go back to 4 high, and 2 high. So right now the light would be off. So switch works, everything's good. Just got to hook up the wiring.